Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips by NSF. A warm greetings to you all. Today again we have come to the grammar to start learning, and today in this part I am going to take you the topic conjunctions or the other word connectors. So both are the same words. Let's see what is there in conjunctions. So, conjunctions and connectors. Connector is a word or a phrase that joins two sentences or group of words together. They are also known as conjunctions. So, it has been defined as connector is a word or a phrase that joins two sentences. It is used to join two sentences. For example, they are telling a conjunction is used to join two sentences. They are also known as also conjunctions or connectors. Both is common. Once again, I explain. Connector is a word which is used to join two sentences, okay, or a group of words. Group of words and join two sentences equals is both same. Now let's go to its types. Coordinating conjunctions links two or more words, clauses, phrases, or sentence of equal importance. So, some common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, therefore, as well as, to, else, otherwise, still, yet, while, however, so, consequently, for, etc. These are known as coordinating conjunctions which links two or more words or clauses or phrases of equal importance. She ran fast and won the race. She ran fast and won the race. This is equal importance. They are giving importance to both the sentences, so it's known as coordinating conjunctions. Next, subordinating conjunctions are the words that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. They link a dependent clause with an independent clause. So some common subordinate conjunctions are after, as, until, unless, when, whenever, as soon as if, as though, etc. These all are known as subordinate conjunctions. Next, correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction that functions in a pair. Pair means two. Some common correlative conjunctions are either or, both, and, neither nor, not only but, also, such as, such that, so as, etc. These all are known as correlative conjunctions. Here we can see an example for subordinate conjunction. The bus had left before he came. Next, this example, I am not only singer but also a musician. He is both. He is also a singer and also musician. So he is explaining, I am not only a singer but also a musician. Next, we see in the next page what has been given. Coordinating conditions. These conditions join words, phrases, or clauses of equal rank. They have given more examples. So let's see line by line. Example 1. She ran fast and won the game. God made the country and man made the town. Get ready soon or you will miss the bus. I requested him but he did not do the work. Behave well or else you will suffer. These are known as coordinating conjunctions. In the first sentence, and is a conjunction. In the second sentence, and. In the third sentence, or. And the fourth sentence, but. In the fifth sentence, or else. Next, subordinate conjunctions examples. Make hay while the sun shines. Ravi reached the exam hall before the school bell had rung. Make hay while the sun shines. What's the conjunction in here? While. Yeah, while is the conjunction here. Next, Ravi reached the exam hall before the school bell had rung. Before is the conjunction here. Is this a mentioning time? Next, place. Where, wherever, whence, with, whether. You will find your books where you had placed them. Where is a conjunction here. Next, you can see a beauty wherever you are in Ooty. Wherever is the conjunction in the sentence. Is describing the place. Next, of conjunction. Though, although, even though. The alarm woke me up even though it wasn't very loud. Here, even though is conjunction. The child was not covered although it was very cold. Although is the conjunction here. Next, comparison. As, than. He is not clever. He is not as clever as you. As is the conjunction here. Rekha is better than her father. Than is the conjunction here. Now Now next, correlative conjunction. Shruti wants either the chocolates or the cake. See here, either and or is the conjunction. She said that she would like to have both the chocolates and the cake. Both is the conjunction here. You can have neither the cake nor the ice cream. Neither nor is the conjunction here. I have not yet decided whether I will have the cake or the ice cream. Not yet or whether is the condition here. She ate not only the chocolates but also the ice cream. Not only but. Abhirami is both cute and lovely. Both and these are known as conjunctions, correlative conjunction. Next, they have been given some exercises. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentence. Revati and Rohini are friends. If you say so, I will believe it. Shekhar is intelligent but careless. The bus was overcrowded, so Arun avoided traveling in it. Though Vinay is ill, he doesn't skip the class. So you can try. If you know the answers, you can share me in the comment box, okay? I am telling the answers. If anyone wants to try means they can send me the answers in the comment box. Okay friends, let's see the answers. Revati and is the conjunction. In the second sentence, so is the conjunction. In the third sentence, but is the conjunction. In the fourth sentence, so is the conjunction. In the fifth sentence, though is the conjunction. Next, let's see the exercise number B. I returned home dash the bus had started. I respect him dash she is very strict. Sudarshan will succeed dash she works hard. Arvind and Arun are classmates from their childhood. You can't have your fruits dash you take your food. I returned home after the bus had started. I respect him because he is very strict. Sudarshan will succeed unless he works hard. Arvind and Arun are classmates from the childhood. You can't have your fruits until you take the. So these all are the conjunctions, okay? Next, choose the correct conjunctions from the options given in the brackets. Is number C. Let's see. Everyone likes him for because he is very helpful. Options are because, for, and answer is because. Dash it was cloudy, we decided to make an umbrella. As it was cloudy, we decided to take an umbrella. Rati found her watch wherever she had left it. Where she had left it, wherever or where. In both options, we have to write the correct answer where she had left it. I don't know dash I can afford to buy a new dress or not. I don't know whether I can afford to buy a new dress or not. Whether is the correct answer. Dash he was ill, he went to the doctor. As he was ill, he went to the doctor. So as is the correct answer. I have explained about conjunctions in this part, and if you want to learn more grammar, you can see my videos continuously, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. If you like this video, like and comment me in the comment box. And bye for today. Thank you.